seen Obi. Who is going to make me happy? Oh, Obi, where are you? I'm just tired. God, please. Please, Obi.
Obi, what is it? Why are you crying?
Mama, where's Obi? Talk to me.
Obi will soon come. Oh?
When?
Is that why you are crying since morning?
Mama, I've missed Obi for good 3 days. I've not seen Obi.
Don't worry. I'm your mother. I'm telling you the truth. Obi will soon be here. Okay?
When?
Don't worry. I say you should not worry. Don't worry. Okay? There's one.
Mama.
Hey! Oh, you didn't know? Don't worry. Oh? Very soon. You will see her. Yeah? Now let's go inside. Let's go inside. Get up. Let me go and find something to get here. Let's go. Oh? Take it in. Take it in. Inside.
Hey, it's very good like this step. It is at all. Oh my God, tell me, just tell me.
Sorry. No.
Hey.
Mama.
Mama, I thought you said Oblangeri will be here now. Where is she?
She will come.
She will come. Come when?
In the evening time, she will come.
Oh. I want to see her. I want to see her now.
In the evening time.
She will be here again. Why will she be here now? I've missed her. I want to see her.
I know you missed her. But I spoke with her yesterday evening and she promised me that she will come.
Are you sure she will come?
Am I not your mother again?
Chai. Okay, Mama.
Oh?
Chai. Obi.
It's long.
I really missed her, Mama. Hey.
I mean.
Obi more.
Don't worry.
Hey.
She will come.
Okay.
Let me go and prepare that. Then I will come back.
Mama, I'm hungry. Obi.
Obiageri is the only thing that makes him happy. I'm confused. What if I convince her to marry him? No. She will not agree. What if I try to tell her? She might run away from him. Hey. God help me. I'm confused. Tama, my friend.
My friend, this one you're running. Where are you heading to?
Shima, I'm going to Obinwa's house to see him. You know, it's been long now.
Who?
Obinwa, of course, my boyfriend.
That Brian guy. What will we give you? What will we offer to you?
Hey, Shama. Shama, my friend. You of all people can say anything like that. Come on, please. You know he's my friend.
What will he give you? Can he provide for your needs?
Shama, why are you talking like this?
You're not seeing this young guy that have cash, that have money. Cannot follow them. Is this Brian guy that you want to follow? I don't like it at all.
Hey, I can't believe you can say anything like that. See, if I have the opportunity to marry him, say I'll marry Obinwa. Okay? Please, that was a business. Please excuse me. Please.
Is that you?
Obinwa.
Is that you?
It's me. It's me, Obinwa. It's me.
Where have you been?
Obinwa, how are you?
For good 3 days I have not seen you. Where have you been?
Sorry, I went to my maternal home. My grandma sent for me.
But you should have told me before leaving.
No, I'm sorry. How are you?
I'm happy now that you're back. I missed you.
I missed you too. Sit down. So how is Mama?
It's like she's inside.
Okay. Obin.
I've missed you.
Missed you too. Missed you too. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
So now that you're here now, I want you to sing that song that you normally sing for me. I'll be happy.
Obin. Obinwa.
Gingerly.
Obinwa.
Gingerly.
Obinwa.
Gingerly.
Obinwa.
Gingerly.
Obinwa.
Gingerly.
Obinwa.
Gingerly.
Mama.
Who's that?
Mama.
My daughter. Welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you? Welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Mama. How are you?
I'm good. Are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome.
I came to see Obinwa.
You do well.
Oh, thank
Welcome.
you. Thank you, Mama. Obi, sit down.
Has Mama gone?
Yeah, it's gone now.
I really missed you. I missed you.
Sit too.
But promise me you will not leave me again.
Obi, I promise.
I'm happy now. I'm happy. I'm happy having you as a friend. Almost everybody I loved left me, all because I lost my sight. But yet, you are still here, taking care of me, making me happy. Chinasa, God will punish you, Chinasa, to never be well with you. What you did to me.
What happened? What's Chinasa?
You will not understand what that girl did to me. She is evil.
Oh.
I came back from South Africa. I spent all the money I had on Chinasa. I love Chinasa. Even sold some of my cars. But when I eventually got blind, I don't know how, Chinasa left me and ran away with some of my money. God will definitely punish that girl. I hate her with passion. I hate that girl.
It's okay. Stop crying, okay? But I can help you convince her.
No, don't say that. You don't even like me. You see, You see why I'm scared? You don't like me.
Oh, come on, you know I do. I love you so much.
Then don't call her name again.
Okay, it's okay.
Promise me.
I promise. Okay, I promise you I won't call her name again. It's okay.
Thank you.
I'm not fast now. Okay. Yes.
I'm scared though. What do you say?
Oh, you don't have to be scared. Now, Mama has gone. Let's go and do this thing, please.
It's not that I don't want to do this thing, but I'm scared.
You don't have to be scared. Mama is not around. See, let me tell you, okay. If you don't want to do this thing today, let me tell you, I will never do it again with you, and I will never come back in this house. Do you hear me?
Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go. I'm sorry.
Okay. Come on. Be fast. Be fast.
I'm scared, dude.
Come on. Mama is so fast. Be fast. Sorry, come now. Be fast.
I'm scared, dude.
Please come on, come on.
Omeka nne. Nwa m mụrụ mbọsị ndị ọzọ amụbere ha.
Mama, it's nothing.
No, you can't tell me nothing. But you're happy.
Mama, it's Obiangeri.
What happened to Obiangeri?
Mama, nothing.
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 Everything, nothing. Tell me the truth now. I'm your mother. Nothing.
Yes.
Hey. Hey. Oh, no, my car. Nothing. It's Obiangeri. Nothing. Oh. All I know, you and Obiangeri will not kill me in this house. Hey, Shimo. Abi. Girlie.
Ma, you called me.
Yes, are you doing something inside?
Yes, I'm about to clean up your house.
Okay, sit down. Let's talk.
Okay.
There is something I want to ask you,
Okay.
but I don't know.
Please talk to me. Are you okay? What is bothering you?
I'm
Talk
okay.
to me.
Don't be angry. Do you love my son?
Yes, Mama, I do.
You do.
I love him.
I want to ask you this again, please. Will you marry him?
That's what I've been wanting to tell you.
Hey!
Yes, I'll marry him.
You will marry him?
Yes,
hey!
Mama.
Chineke na-ekene dịrị gị. Odinigwe ekene gị. Na narị akpọ isi ala nwere nye Chukwu ọma na-eme mma.
Please, get
Hey!
Thank you.
Who is there? Abby? Abby? Who is there? Abby? Is that you? Who is there? Abby? Who is that? Abby? Oh, I was calling you now. Why didn't you answer me? What is wrong with you?
I'm feeling dizzy.
Dizzy?
Yes.
Where is Mama?
Mama has gone out. It's like she went to the market.
Oh, I think there's drugs on the dining table there. Go and get it.
Just no. I think I know what is wrong with me. I don't need those drugs.
You know what is wrong with you?
Yes.
And what is wrong with you?
I'm pregnant.
Eh? For who?
What kind of question is that? For you, of course.
Hey! I said this before. I said this. I don't want to do. I don't know what to do. But you force me, oh. You see now. You're putting me into trouble now.
Every time you be shouting like a woman. What is it, Seth? What is it?
What will I tell Mama now? What will I tell Mama?
Don't worry, I'll tell Mama about it.
A poor boy like me. Look at it now. I told you I don't want to do this thing, oh. I don't want to do this thing, oh. I don't want to do this thing, oh.
That day we are doing it. When are you not enjoying it? You told me that you're enjoying it. Now you are doing it.
I enjoyed it now, but now look at it now.
Please, don't provoke me this morning, no. Don't just provoke me this morning.
Oh, Mama, mo.
In fact, I'm leaving your house.
Okay. Wait. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Come and sit down, I'm sorry. Eh? I'm sorry.
It's okay, don't worry. I'll tell Mama. We'll figure things out, okay?
I'm scared, though.
You don't have to be scared. I'll talk to Mama.
Okay,
Yeah?
okay.
I'll tell Mama about it.
Hey.
Mama?
What are you doing? I'm trying to put this in order. I want to take them to market.
Okay.
This one, your face is like this. Are you well at all?
Yes, I'm fine.
That reminds me. The other day I saw you for meeting. What is wrong with you?
I'm having malaria, but I've taken drugs. I'm okay now.
Malaria?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Let me just do this thing at least. We can sell it in the market.
Mama?
What is it? Talk to me.
Mama, there's something I want to tell you.
What is it? Tell me. I'm all ears.
Do you remember the other day you asked me if I will marry Obinwa?
Yes, I remember. What happened? Have you changed your mind?
No, not at all, Mama.
That's okay. Go be look one man. Talk to me.
I was 2 months pregnant.
2 months pregnant. For who?
For your son, of course.
My son.
Yes.
Hey! God! Ekene diri chukwu. Na mama give one. You are pregnant for my son.
Yes, Mama.
I'm happy now. At least. If that one comes now, we are adding. Hey! So my son is a man. Let's go. Leave it.
Thank you, Mama.
Let's go.